Manufacturing today is a whole new game, making smaller lots of tailored products in greater variety and shorter cycles than ever before. In many industries, existing and faithful automation solutions are no longer agile or adaptable enough to meet the needs of an increasingly diverse market. The need has never been greater for flexible automation systems that can keep pace with this change, but without compromising safety, efficiency, or productivity. The next step in manufacturing is the flexible, connected, and collaborative factory of the future. Taking full advantage of digitalization and the industrial internet, the factory of the future provides efficiency through the entire automation life cycle. Robots become a connected part of the manufacturing ecosystem, supplying actionable data to fine-tune performance and ensure reliability. From single robots to entire fleets deployed across several factories. The increasing trend towards small lots of higher mix also means manufacturing is becoming more sporadic and less predictable, with a greater need for human intervention, from switching raw materials to inspecting new production runs. Collaboration is the cornerstone in the factory of the future, where people and robots work close together without sacrificing safety or productivity. In the factory of the future, harnessing the power of information is critical. From engineering and commissioning to operating and maintenance, there are opportunities to improve efficiency during the entire automation life cycle. As automation becomes increasingly complex, adding simplicity becomes more critical. This holds for large global enterprises and for small and medium manufacturers too. Users of every experience level benefit from intuitive, easy-to-use tools and dashboards to set up, program, and operate robots today. This is especially true in smaller businesses who could benefit from robots' scalable flexibility but lack in-house experience. It is a time of both extraordinary challenges and extraordinary opportunities in manufacturing automation. The realities manufacturers face are taking place today, and that means that we can't wait until the future to have a factory of the future. ABB is proud to be a pioneer and leader in the collaboration, digitalization, and simplification that are helping our customers make the factory of the future a reality today. Let's write the future together.